Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video doing an unboxing and review of the Puppington kitchen towels in the Ice Pups theme or style. For those of you that do not know about Puppington, they create kitchen towels that are customized with either dog or cat prints that are really tailored as gifts for the holiday season. And so this is going to be their Ice Pups theme, which is really a wintry vibe, but they've got Thanksgiving ones, they've got spring ones, they've got a wide variety, and really what you can do is just go on Amazon and check it out. But what we'll do in this video is we'll just show you the packaging, the general features of the kitchen towels, then I'll show you what they look like up close. And as always, if you're interested in potentially purchasing this, I'll leave links in the description below. All right, so this is going to be the Puppington kitchen towel gift set in the Ice Pups theme. Puppington makes a wide variety of styles of towels. You can check out the Amazon store and really see what they offer at different times of the year, but they've got towels for different holidays like Christmas, New Year's, Thanksgiving. Right now they've got a wide variety of spring themed ones, and they've got ones that are focused on dogs as well as cats. And so for those of you that have an interest for towels that are customized like this, just check them out and see what's available. But we'll take a look up close as far as the packaging. The packaging shows that it's a 2-pack of dish towels. They describe it as being highly absorbent for fast drying, lint-free, spotless, streak-free drying. It's eco-friendly by being renewable and biodegradable, which is really why I prefer kitchen towels like this, because then you don't need to use paper towels, which is better for the environment. So really you can use these and then just wash them and use them on a regular basis. And if they get gross and whatever, you just get rid of them and replace them at that point. But it's going to be hypoallergenic, pet safe, pure cotton, soft and gentle for delicate surfaces, long lasting and durable, and machine washable. It's 100% cotton, and there's going to be 2 dish towels in each set. Online currently, these vary in price, but they're anywhere from about $22 to $25 for a set of 2. So it comes out to about $12 per towel, but they do last a while, so there's a benefit to that. So that's the front of the packaging. Beyond that, on the back here, they discuss their mission and things like that, which I'm not going to get into, but we'll take these out. So these are the Ice Pup themed ones. It's going to be really for a wintry kind of vibe, even though it's kind of springtime. I got these in the winter, and so I just haven't gotten around to review them. But here's the 2 separate towels. So one here is going to be this like ice theme where you've got dogs pushing other dogs on like a sled, igloos, dogs in scarves, a dog on a sled. So really it's this like cool, really cute, quirky pattern for that one. And then let's look at this one. So this one is more of like an ice hockey theme. So you've got different dogs with hockey sticks in the actual puck. They're playing, they're skating. So really it's a cool like wintry vibe as far as that. It's cute from a dog standpoint. So this is a really good gift for somebody that is into dogs or likes dogs, and that sort of thing. As far as the towel quality itself, let's just unfold these entirely to get a general sense on size, but they are very large towels. If you have like your oven or whatnot, it'll probably like sit on the rack or railing for the oven freely without any issues as far as space. And this is more of definitely a cottony vibe. It's more of like a linen feel, so it's very soft, slightly textured from like a textural standpoint. Definitely cloth from that standpoint. No polyester or anything. It's not kind of spongy or silicone-y or whatever you want to describe it as, but it's just like a nice linen feel. But that's what it looks like when you unfold it. I'll have to just test it out and see how it works as far as functionality, but really this is just serving the purpose of replacing paper towels or using it on dishes in the kitchen, whatever really you need this for. And so definitely check out Puppington. They've got a wide variety of different styles. They're really quirky and cute from that standpoint as far as the different styles. So if you have somebody that you want to get this for as a gift or for yourself, you can check it out. Actually, this one's really cool. There's a snowman and a dog on the snowman. I didn't even notice that. till now. But that's all I really have for this video. I'm going to try to use these and just gauge what they are, but they're definitely better than paper towels, better for the environment, more eco-friendly from that standpoint. We'll have to see their longevity, especially if they get stained or you wash them on a regular basis, on whether this fades with time, but that's something I'll follow up over time. But these are the Puppington dish towels. They've got a wide variety of options on Amazon, ballpark about $12 per towel, plus or minus a couple dollars, so affordable if you're in the market for something custom like this, but they do make a great gift. That's really all I have for this video though, so thanks for watching. If you have questions, post them below, and as always, subscribe to my channel as well.